Alright guys, we're about to head into one of the best dim sum places in Vancouver, supposedly.
I think.
Yeah, there's a lineup too.
Ooh,
so
yeah.
this is in high hopes. So we're here. I don't know if you can read the sign. So this is Western Lake Chinese seafood restaurant. Alright, so we gotta wait about half an hour to get inside the restaurant. So it's not bad of a wait. And once we're inside, we'll see how good of the food is here. Alright guys, so our food has arrived. Look at all this food here.
Just stab it.
Yeah, that's in the
So this here is the shawmai, the pork and shrimp
Cut it,
dumpling.
yo. There's still more. Oh, you cut that? Okay, yo. Yo, what type of question is that?
This is the meatball. This is the pork pork.
Thank you.
Right. They cut it. It comes in big portions too. I'm surprised.
Do you have like a fork?
The fork? Yeah.
Yeah.
How many fork you need?
Just one.
Just one? Okay.
I'm the only one that can't eat.
Barbecue pork buns right here.
Sauce for Is the soy sauce here? You want some inside?
You want to put something there?
What is that?
Okay, I'm going to Here's the shawmai. Let's try this. Let's try the shawmai. Oh, that is soft and tender.
What's this? Dim sum?
Yes, this is shawmai.
Oh, shawmai.
Yeah, this is it.
I love that.
Yeah, man. This is one of the best items on the menu. Here's the shrimp dumpling. This is
What is it? Can you pass me that?
yeah, I got you. So, oh, it's nice and clear and translucent.
Good day to eat it. Good day to eat it.
Try this.
Yeah, I'm allergic to it. Almost. First of all, where are you from?
Oh, that's good too. I like this. Yeah, this one's one of my personal favorites. It's called the egg tart.
Pass me the...
Alright.
Is it like soft?
It's soft in the middle, but it's got a crispy crust. It's good.
I'm going to pick up all this meat here.
Barbecue pork buns. Must have. This one's also very nice and sweet and savory. That's good. Alright guys, so as you can see, we finished all our food. Yeah. How was the food?
Okay, that's
So,
actually finished.
we finished all our food, and it was amazing, I gotta say. If you guys want to try it, it's Western Lake Seafood. It's on 4989 Victoria Drive. And come and check it out. Yeah, it's the last call. They're gonna close.
What time is it? It's 3 o'clock.
Yeah, they're gonna open up for dinner service. Yeah, it's lunch service. And thankfully, we came here before it closed. So, thanks to that, we're able to enjoy this meal. And now we're about to head out and continue our work. Hey, Jason.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're in the old spaghetti factory and we got our food here. And
sir.
Elfren, what did you have?
I got the spicy. Sorry, I got the spaghetti with spicy meat sauce.
Alright.
It's pretty spicy so far.
Very spicy, eh? And me myself ordered myself a chicken Alfredo linguine here. And well, I'm gonna start eating. So, an interesting thing about this restaurant is that it has a trolley. It used to be owned by the British Columbia Electric Railway.
Used to.
Yeah, and now that it's preserved, it's actually used as tables and chairs.
Yeah, I mean the idea of having a streetcar as a dining room,
Right.
that's really cool, you know.
It is, yeah. It's unfortunate we weren't able to sit on it because we have a table for 5.
Yeah, but like the idea of having dinner in a preserved transit vehicle, that really hits the spot. Like,
Right.
especially for transit enthusiasts like us.
Yes.
Oh,
Hardcore
man.
transit enthusiasts like us. If you're a transit enthusiast and you need a place to eat, this is a great location for you. Alright, boys. We just finished our dinner. How was your dinner, Alfred?
It was good. Love the spiciness. Spot on.
How was the spice?
That's pretty spicy. You can feel it on the tongue and yeah.
My ravioli was pretty good too. It was cheesy, you know.
Is it because
It needs more parmesan. Needs more
literally we
parmesan.
were asking for cheese? She was there, literally there, spinning it, waiting for you to say that's enough. But no, she kept on spinning because someone just didn't say anything.
The whole thing? The whole thing, man.
It needed more parmesan. Right. So overall, this restaurant is good. Food is good here. So if you want to come here, this is the place for it. Alright, so that's enough for this place. Let's go keep exploring Gastown.
Yes.
Alright, after finishing a long dinner from the old spaghetti factory, gotta take a nice walk out in Gastown and look at the historical feats of this part of town, but also get to enjoy the many wondrous bars that you get here, or you can just enjoy the scenery. Oh, this place kind of looks like New York.
Back in only.
Yeah, it means you can only back in only.
I think because it'd be too dangerous.
Yeah, because this.
No,
Because the car, yeah, you have to full U-turn. Yeah, it's only enough space for one car. We'll go this way, man.
Gastown.
Yeah.
None of us are from here.
No, we are tourists.
Oh, Hemster?
Kenster. You know, this is actually kind of like more like the Esplanade, like in
I was
Toronto,
thinking
right?
about that too.
Yeah,
I think the more of it was going the other way, though. We had it come up here.
yeah. We'll probably turn around when we get to the end of the street, the end of the block here. There's a broken sign here. Someone took it off. Anyways, we're gonna make a right here and actually explore more of where the Gastown's actually more that way. So, or turn around that way. It's actually drizzling right now. But you know what they say, you can't trust the forecast here, right? So. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this vlog video of our food adventures around Vancouver. And if you do, why don't you show your appreciation by clicking like and subscribing to the channel, and comment down below what you would like to see next from this channel. And while we're here, just gonna show you one more clip of me walking at Waterfront Station here while we go back to our hotel. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos from Vancouver, as well as more videos from me. And until then, this is Kenny signing off.